Price match at Home Depot online. Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to price match at Home Depot online. So let's get started. First, confirm that the product qualifies for price matching. The item must be the exact same model and brand. It must be sold by a direct competitor and not a marketplace or third-party seller. Then find the lower price on the competitor's official website. Always ensure the product is in stock and the price is currently active. The competitor must offer immediate shipping. Then contact Home Depot support team, reach them through online chat or by phone. Share the competitor's price and the product details so they can verify it. After approval, Home Depot will adjust the price for you and you can then complete your purchase at the updated price. And that's all. That's how you will be able to price match at home through Depot online.